Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
Do you like tea or coffee? I like tea more than coffee. It makes me feel fresh and relaxed. How many cups do you drink in a day? I drink 1 or 2 cups a day. It helps me stay active. When do you usually drink tea or coffee? I drink it in the morning and evening. It is part of my daily routine. Do you prefer hot or cold coffee? I prefer hot coffee. It tastes stronger and richer. Who makes the best tea or coffee for you? My mother makes the best tea. The taste is perfect every time. Do you drink tea or coffee with sugar? Yes, I take a little sugar. I don't like it too sweet. Do you like to drink tea with milk or without milk? I like milk tea. It is creamy and smooth. Do you enjoy tea at tea stalls or at home? I enjoy tea at small stalls sometimes. It feels refreshing in the open air. What snacks do you eat with tea or coffee? I eat biscuits or namkeen. They taste great with tea. Do you think tea or coffee is good for health? Yes, if taken in limit. Too much is not good.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.